Hey guys, I'm gonna discuss FSU freestanding unit, the basic and the parts of it. These are the common sizes you can see in the supermarket: 40 by 40, 50 by 50, 60 by 60, and 100 by 100 cm. It can expand, but these are the basics you can see in the supermarket. Sketching the box to start, illustrating the FSU. On the right side, it is the elevation. As you can see, top, front, and the side view. Then we can draw the isometric view of an FSU, illustrating all the lines. I will apply color so you can see every parts of it and easy for you to understand which are these elements that I will name on. The backing, which carries the full header. The left and the right side panel act as a port and will carry also the graphics. The shelving area, which carries the product. Shelf strip, potential for branding, and the base. There you have it, guys. The basic parts of an FSU freestanding unit that you can see in the market.